This question here on board said convert 134 base 5 to base 3. In my previous video, I did converting base 2 numbers to base 10 and also did again converting base 10 numbers to base 2. Here, the question says convert 134 base 5 to base 3. So in this problem now, what you will do, look at the number here. This number now, in order to convert 134 base 5 to base 3, the first thing you have to do is to convert this number in base 5 to base 10 first. After converting it to base 10, then you use the number in base 10 and convert it to base 3. That is the easiest way. Now how do we convert this number to base 10? I've treated it before. You count first 0, 1, 2. This is a process of converting to base 10. You now start 1 times the base, which is 5, raised to power the number you assign to it when you were counting it, which is 2, raised to power 2, plus 3 times the base 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 times the base 5 raised to power what? 0. Now you continue, which is equals to 5 raised to power 5 means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You now start 1 times 25 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 1 is just 5 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, 5 raised to power 0 is 1. So 5 raised to power 0 is 1. You now start multiplying. 1 times 25 is 25 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 times 1 is what? 4. Now you now add. This 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 4 is 44. This is now in base 10. This number is what? This number is now in base 10. The number is now in base 10. So it is this number that is in base 10 is now you will convert to base 3. So after converting it to base 3, it will now be that this 134 base 5 number you have converted it to base 3. Now let's convert this number that is in base 10 now to base 3 in order for us to get our answer. So now let me clean the one I've done. Now for 44 base 10 now. Now 44 base 10. 44 base 10. Now let us convert it to base 3. Now use that base you want to convert it to. Any number that is in base 10 now, just like this number that is in base 10, I want to convert it in base 3 now or any other base. I will start using that number, which is the base. Like in the case of this one is 3. Now I'll now start using 3 to be dividing. Now let me start. You now start using the 3 go. So if 3 go now, if 3 go 44, you now have 14. 14 remember 2. It is a remainder that you'll be writing out. Any remainder you write it out. Now we still go 3 go 14. So you will get 4. Remember 2 again. Now 3 go 4. It will now get 1. Remember what? 1. Now 3 go 1. So anytime you are dividing 3 with 1 in this case, the 3 will not get anything because if 3 divide 1, the 3 will not get anything because 1 here is not up to 3. So we now say it will get 0, 0. still remember the 1. You now bring the 1 here and say get 0, 0. And once you get the 0, your solving has what? Stopped. Now you now collect your answer. While collecting your answer, you start from down here to up here. So now the 4 base 10 now is equals to, you start now 1 and the 1 again and the 2 and 2 again base 3. So you have now converted this number to base 3. Therefore, the answer now is, that is what they say you should do. They say you should convert 1, 3, 4, 5 to base 3. Now, therefore, 1, 3, 4 base 5 is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2 base 3. That is the answer. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like. I have a Facebook account which says Chumba Power. You can visit there and see some things there again. Thank you so much for watching.